The largest animal in the world is a blue whale. These majestic creatures can grow up to 100 feet in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. Their sheer size is awe-inspiring, as they glide effortlessly through the ocean, dwarfing everything in their path. Blue whales are known for their distinctive blue-gray color and long, slender bodies. They have a heart the size of a small car and can consume up to 4 tons of krill each day. Despite their massive size, blue whales are gentle giants, feeding primarily on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. These incredible animals are found in oceans all around the world, from the Arctic to the Antarctic. They are highly migratory, traveling thousands of miles each year in search of food and warmer waters. Blue whales are also known for their hauntingly beautiful songs, which can be heard for miles underwater. Unfortunately, blue whales are an endangered species, with only around 10,000–25,000 individuals left in the wild. They face threats from ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and habitat loss due to climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for future generations to admire and appreciate.